Now, as a doctor, what does an HIV positive test mean to you?
For me, it means nothing. I just look at the patient. If the test reacts positive, that shouldn't mean anything for the patient. In most cases, it can mean something if you have an inflammation of any sort. The test can react positive if it's a hepatitis or even the flu. But it has not more meaning than any other laboratory measurement for inflammation.
As a doctor, what advice would you give patients who have tested HIV positive?
Well, I would ask them whether they have any risk behavior, and if they have, I would advise them to stop it and don't care about this test. Yeah.
So for you, an
Just
HIV positive test is not a death sentence?
No, not at all. It's not a death sentence at all. No. And I have seen many patients who understood that and live normal lives.
Do you have patients that have been diagnosed HIV positive that don't take any medication and are healthy?
Yes, I have quite a few patients who are still living, which were tested in 1985, which in the year when the test came on the market, and all of them declined treatment. They were all advised to take treatment, so they are no long-term survivor in the classical sense. They were all advised to take treatment, but they declined the treatment for different reasons. Because they didn't want to take toxic drugs, because they were feeling well at that time.
And how are they doing today?
They are still living.
Healthy?
Yeah.
Because of the HIV hypothesis, doctors are very predisposed to treat people with antiretroviral drugs once they are HIV positive, because they think they found the culprit. They found what makes people sick, because they believe that HIV is a virus with deadly competence. Yeah. Well, you never should trust an authority. You should make up your own mind in any condition, I think. You should look at the people, you should look at the guy who is telling you something, and you should look for the available information, which is easier to access at the moment because we have the internet, and everybody should make up his own mind.